Morning children, class 10 Geography, Chapter 3 Water Resources. You already know that 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water, but only a small portion of it accounts for fresh water that can be put to use. This fresh water is mainly obtained from surface runoff and groundwater that is continuously being renewed and recharged through the hydrological cycle. We know that 96.5% of the total volume of world's water is estimated to exist as oceans and only 2.5% exist as freshwater. 70% of the freshwater acquires as ice sheets and glacier in Antarctica, Greenland and the mountainous regions of the world. Less than 30% is stored as groundwater in the world's aquifers. We have three major water resources. 1. Precipitation. 2. Surface water. 3. Groundwater. The precipitation from rainfall, surface water in rivers and lakes and some other resources, groundwater, water stored in underground aquifers which gets recharged by rainfall. Water scarcity. Water scarcity means shortage of water. It is usually associated with regions having low rainfall or drought-prone areas. There are many other reasons which leads to scarcity of water. I list out one by one. 1. Large growing population. 2. In the agricultural sector. 3. Water resources are being overexploited to expand irrigated areas and dry season agriculture. 4. More water required for irrigation purpose to facilitate higher production, for doing multiple cropping or for HYV seeds. HYV means high yield variety seeds. 5th, there is greater demand for water with growing urbanization and industrialization. 6th, an unequal access to water among different social groups. 7. The quality of water is getting polluted by domestic and industrial waste, chemical fertilizer and pesticides used in agriculture. And last one, excessive use of water by industries which also required water to generate hydroelectric power to run them and over exploitation of water in the urban areas.